Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to demonstrate morphological filtering. So for this particular demonstration purpose I have taken circles.png image present in MATLAB database itself, which you can see here. Now what I will do, I will add some noise in it, and that noise will be salt and pepper noise. In my previous video, I have already discussed how you can remove salt and pepper noise using median filter. Now in this video, we will be observing the effect of morphological filtering in presence of salt and pepper noise. So what I have done here, I have added salt and pepper noise in it. Okay. So this is my noise image after adding salt and pepper noise. You can see here in the binary object peppers are present and in the background salt is present. Now point to be noted, our this particular image is logical. Okay, if you just take input this image from MATLAB database, you will be getting one logical matrix. So this particular IM noise is applicable on double or unsigned integer 8 or 16 maybe. Okay, so as a result you need to typecast to double and then apply salt and pepper noise. Okay, now this is what is our image. Now if we want to remove the both salt as well as pepper noise, what we should do? See, try to understand all this background part, okay, can be easily removed if we just apply image opening. Because if we take suppose structuring element which is having bigger size than this particular small white pixels present in the background, those will not fit actually, and that will be removed while applying opening. Okay, but the actual binary object will not that much affected, but we need to remove these black pixels also. So what we will do, we will apply closing on the result of opened image. Okay, so opening then closing, if we apply, it is expected that both salt and pepper, both noise will be removed. So let us check. This is what I have done. I have taken one structuring element of disk shape, okay, of radius 3 and applying IM close, then IM open, C comma C. First I am taking IM opening, then applying closing on that using same structuring element. So if I run this particular part of the code, see, I am able to remove all the salt and pepper noise present in it. Okay, now let us play with this. Let us take the same code and paste here. What we will do, we will first apply closing and then opening, and let us check whether we are getting better result or not. But no, the problem is we are getting not better result. Okay, that is result quality is degraded. You may ask why? Because when you are applying closing first, now what will happen, all these background white pixels which are basically salt noise, those will be so much expanded that opening cannot suppress that much. Okay, so as a result some amount of white pixels will be there as noise, salt noise in the background. But if you apply opening then closing, now see, we are not getting that much salt and pepper noise. And here you can see that the actual structure is very much degraded. So what we can do, we can play with this, change the structuring element. Suppose I am taking square shape structuring element of 3 cross 3 shape and applying opening then closing. If I just run this particular part of the code, see, now we are getting far better result. Okay, this is our original image, this is image corrupted with salt and pepper noise, and then if we apply first opening then closing, then see, beautifully our original image is reconstructed. Okay, and research also shows that square shape structuring element have lower mean square error. If you just check efficient 2D structuring element for noise removal of grayscale image using morphological operation, here this particular link I'll be providing in the description box. You can read the complete research paper. Here see, in the conclusion part, let me directly go. It is found from the statistical measurement using proposed approach in respective of PSNR, the square boundary AC structuring element produces higher PSNR and octagon structural element produces lower PSNR. Okay, in respective of MAC, the octagon boundary AC produces higher mean square error, whereas square structuring element produces lower mean square error. That means square structuring element have lower mean square error and more signal to noise ratio. So that indicates obviously it is better to use square shape structuring element, right? So that's why we will use this one. Okay, now apply the same concept in case of grayscale image. Okay, so this is for grayscale image purpose. I have taken one very popular image which is also known as Lena. Okay, this image I hope you have seen if you are a student of digital image processing or computer vision. Now first let me discuss the effect of opening and closing in grayscale image. You have seen in case of binary image what is happening. If you apply opening, then many white pixel turned into black. Similarly, if you map the concept in grayscale, what will happen? The whole image will become darker because like same kind of binary concept, like in case of binary, white pixels are some of the white pixels are removed. Similarly here some of the whiter part are basically suppressed. Okay, so opening will make our image darker and in the reverse way closing will make our image brighter. Okay, so let me show you the effect of opening and closing first using bigger structuring element of 7x7 so that you can easily understand. First of all, I have taken the image, then applying opening and closing. Okay, nothing else. Just to show you the effect of opening and closing in grayscale image, I have used this. So see, here you can beautifully understand the effect of opening and closing. This is our original image. If you apply opening, you can clearly understand that the image became darker. Okay, the darker parts are highlighted and the closing makes overall part whiter. See, here also became whiter than earlier and the body also. Okay, so this is the effect of opening and closing in our grayscale image. Anyway, now what we will do, we will take 3x3 again and then apply salt and pepper noise of 0.5. I am taking very high value and then showing the noise corrupted one, and then let me remove this, all this line also not required. So what we are doing, as I have told you, first apply opening and then closing like binary image. Okay, so Control A, evaluate selection. If I just run the whole code, we will be getting this output, this one. So you can clearly see this is our original image, this is our noise corrupted image. See, noise has highly corrupted our original image, we even cannot see properly. But if we apply morphological filtering, that is opening then closing, then how beautifully our image is reconstructed. So this is nothing but morphological filtering, that is first apply opening then apply closing. And always it's better to use square shape structuring element because research shows square shape structuring element have higher signal to noise ratio or lower mean square error. Okay, so we will follow that rule only. Okay, both the codes will be given in the description box. If you want, you can check there. Thank you for watching.